Real quick, guys, I want to give you a couple of free plays that I've been looking at recently so you guys can just trade them yourself and make some money off it and hopefully everything goes well. And if you don't trade it, then no big problem. All that I ask of you guys is you watch through this whole video so that way you understand everything that I'm about to talk about and hopefully you learn something, especially about trading options and more specifically the criteria that I use and the strategies that I use. We don't mess around here. My name's Kyle. Welcome back to Finance Bro. We're talking about the stock market today, more specifically a few stocks that I'm planning on trading options on sooner rather than later. Today was a very good day for the overall markets, up about 56 points, which is about a 1% increase and about a 1% increase across the board on most of these major indexes. On AMD, which is the first stock that I'm showing you on the screen right now, this is something that I've really kind of been paying close attention to for the last couple of days, especially on the 15-minute. We're starting to see in these intraday trading sessions, and today wasn't the only day, we saw a massive rise in overall price over the last 3 to 4 trading sessions. And now we're kind of sitting at a point where we're almost trying to form some kind of either wedge pattern or a flag pattern. Now, keep in mind here that even though this pattern is trying to present itself, that doesn't necessarily mean that that's what's going to happen. We've kind of pattern broke here the last couple of days, and we haven't really been following a clear, concise, kind of movement that the market has been matching. Especially now, too, we're ending the day off with no clear movement in the up direction or the down direction. However, it does seem like this stock is trying to trend more so down than it would up. The breakout that we saw from this was only about a less than a 0.5% move, right? So we didn't really see that much movement here. Now, in my opinion, what we need to do if we're looking at this from a more of a swing trading kind of perspective, we need to look at the 1-day chart, which is actually what I'm looking at right now. As you can see, we do have earnings coming up, but that's not going to be until, when is this, Tuesday? And that is going to be July 30th. So we have some time until that next earnings date is coming up here. But until that, we are actually super overbought right now. As you can see, we're just approaching this top level here. And in my mind and in my opinion, I have no doubt that we're going to start seeing a major pullback here towards the downside in the coming days, especially with this overbought level on the RSI, and especially with, if we kind of zoom down here into the 45-minute, we're just getting that I don't want to call it a bull flag. It's not a bull flag. I'm mixing my words up there. This is a falling wedge. And falling wedges typically indicate that we are losing a ton of momentum in the overall buying power. And they typically lead to, not always, but typically lead to a decrease in overall price. Now, we did have a bit of a breakout here towards the end of the day's session, but we ended up flat in after hours. Now, I think that we're going to keep going with this, and I think that this is only going to go further and further down. As it continues to do that, we'll be watching this very, very closely, and I'll be keeping it updated on everything. Also, guys, if you guys want access to some of the plays that we're talking about in today's videos and see exactly when we buy and when we end up selling, all you have to do is hit the first link down in the description to join our Discord. That's how you're going to get access to our daily buy and sell alerts, which are going to be basically how you get access to our personalized portfolio. It's what we're trading on a day-to-day basis. We give you entries, exits, stop losses, take profit levels. We tell you everything that we're doing. Plus, we have weekly group calls, free education material, and a host of other things that you're not going to want to miss. We're also doing a small account challenge inside of Premium right now, which you guys can actually get access to and see all of our trades that we're making live on the day without ever having any kind of mix up of what's going on. You'll see exactly what trades we're making inside of that small account challenge. And to join all this, all you got to do is hit that first link down in the description, scroll down here to any of the links in the join us tab that you can see on the left here, click that link. It'll take you over to upgrade chat, where then you can either pick between the premium monthly membership or the premium yearly membership. Both of these have their own benefits. The premium yearly membership, you're going to save quite a bit of money, but you are going to be paying more money up front, but you only have to pay once a year. If you want to go with the monthly membership, that's going to be the $79 an option. That's going to be per month, and you can join with that one as well. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about AMD. And of course, also just for a last little one, anybody who's stuck around to the end of this video, I want to give you guys another free play. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you guys are still sticking around this far. Really quick here, I want to talk about Chipotle. Now, basically, with CMG, we've seen a massive pullback since after their stock split. And that was one of the main reasons. This was where, right about here, October 26th or 25th around here, that was where this massive upward rally started. And now we're seeing a huge pullback in overall price. Now, this isn't necessarily a bad thing. If anything, I think this is a good thing. If we go to the 15-minute chart, we can see that there's a ton of room for growth here as far as breaking back up and rebounding off of this bottom kind of level. In my opinion, it seems like Chipotle has mostly bottomed out, and I think that we have a lot of potential here to bounce back and start seeing that reversal that everybody has been seemingly betting on Chipotle for quite some time now. Let me know what you think down in the comments down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to join that Discord with the first link down in the description to get access to our buy and sell alerts, and you'll learn exactly when I'm buying AMD and CMG and what options I'm trading and all that good stuff. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.